Hi everyone! I finally have this long-awaited video of the laundry room makeover and tour done. I am so happy to finally share this with you. Also, I will talk about organization and decor. I absolutely love how it turned out. I love the color scheme of white and gray. It is so calming. Everything has its place and I actually like coming here to do laundry. This is what the laundry room looked like before. It only had a shelf in it when we moved into this house, and it was so stressful to come in here. It was not only used for laundry, but storage as well. And this is once we emptied it before the work started. All right, let's head over to the laundry room. Voila! I'll start with my favorite, the grand mini chandelier. Yay! I added a bit of glamour by putting in this mini chandelier that I absolutely love. I love chandeliers, as you will see in my other video. They are so beautiful and classy, and it has turned this previously boring laundry room into a bit of style and luxury. I plan to eventually have a chandelier in every room. When choosing a chandelier, choose one that is the correct proportion to your room, and a medallion that is the right proportion to the chandelier. I have a whole video on that as well. Link will be below. Now for the wall paint, I did several gray paint samples to find the perfect gray for this room that I liked, and I chose a color called flannel gray, and I just love it and I never get tired of it. Makes me feel good each time I come in here. Now for the crown moldings, we added the crown moldings ourselves. To me, they have an aesthetic appeal. They enhance and give a designer look to any room, even a laundry room. Why not? Plus, it gives your home value. And I love crown moldings. I have them almost in every room. These Carrara peel and stick tiles were easy to install and they have held up very well. They are waterproof, and that is a good thing since we had a flood recently in the nearby bathroom that spilled over to the hallway and laundry room. I would have preferred real marble tiles, but because of the cost, I opted for the peel and stick, at least for now. This wall mount storage cabinet by Estate is from Lowe's. We put it on the existing shelf that was here already and secured the cabinet to the wall. I love how handy it is for all the things you need to do laundry, which is easily accessible, and there is plenty of storage space. And this large Estate matching cabinet, also from Lowe's, and it holds quite a good amount of storage. Here we have stored our hangers, and as well as paper towels, toilet paper, Kleenex, and pet food. This smaller Estate cabinet is wall mount and is also from Lowe's and is handy for above the sink. I use it for cleaning supplies. The laundry room sink is Glacier Bay from Home Depot. We had the laundry room sink professionally installed. We would have liked to have done it ourselves, make the video for YouTube, but there was never a sink installed previously and the pipes were not cut, and we just didn't have the expertise to do it ourselves. It has soft close door, which I really like. My tip is, after using the sink, towel dry after use to prevent water spots. And if you do get them, clean it with a mild solution of vinegar and water. I found this cute collapsible bucket in gray and white at Burlington Coats. It is so handy and it folds flat for easy storage, and you can also hang it on the wall if you wish to do so. I also got this cute step ladder at the same store. I love the little polka dots on it. I do need this in order to reach the storage baskets that are on top of the cabinets. These storage baskets in this weave pattern are lightweight and flexible and are perfect for storing extra things. I got mine from Target. I don't think they have the size anymore. I wish they did, as I would like to buy more, but they do have other smaller sizes. If anyone knows where else these are sold, let me know in the comments below. I got this print at Home Goods and it goes perfectly with the color scheme. I love the white roses in the mason jar. You can find the coolest things there. So if you see something there, grab it, because it probably won't be there the next time you go in. I learned this lesson when I saw this beautiful print of a ballerina at Burlington Coats, and when I came back to buy it, it was gone. Now for the laundry basket. I also love this laundry basket. It is lightweight, flexible, fits a ton of laundry. It has handles and ties shut if you want to hide your laundry. It's perfect, and I got it from At Home Store. This is one of the best things I got. Magnetic laundry room storage containers, lint holder bin, laundry room trash can. Comes with 3 wool balls. It eliminated the trash can that was on the floor, created a lot more room. And it's got little holes so you can hang it on the wall. Brilliant idea. I added these lovely containers. They're silver sparkle and they sparkle beautifully in person. I got them at the Home Store. They were a Christmas decor, so when I saw them, I grabbed them thinking they would be perfect for the laundry room. I just loved them. They were great for organizing items. I used them to store masks, paper towels, and so on, hand towels, rags, kitchen towels. They're very handy. Now for the last thing, was getting new blinds. I would have loved to have white plantation shutters. I adore them, but these will have to do for now. I'm also thinking of making some silk white balloon curtains to go over this. When I do, I will make a new video for that as well. Thank you for joining me on my tour. I hope you enjoyed this video of my laundry room makeover. All the how-to DIY videos related to this are listed in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below as well. Stay tuned to my new video on our guest bathroom makeover coming soon. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would so